The NuPhy Air75 V2 is a mechanical keyboard that strikes a perfect balance between affordability and high performance, making it one of the best options for programmers at a solid price point. While it may be harder to find through online retailers, it's readily available on NuPhy's own website. This keyboard delivers an exceptional typing experience straight out of the box, with build quality that feels premium, all wrapped up in a portable and sleek design. One of the standout features of the Air75 V2 is its versatility across operating systems. It works seamlessly with Linux as well as other systems and offers compatibility with VIA software. This software allows you to fully customize your keyboard by adjusting backlighting, key assignments, macros, and custom layers. You can access all these features easily through any Chromium-based web browser, offering a high level of customization that programmers will appreciate for a personalized typing experience. Connectivity is another area where the NuPhy Air75 V2 shines. It supports Bluetooth, allowing you to pair it with up to 3 devices simultaneously. This makes it an excellent choice if you often work across different platforms, whether that's switching between a laptop, tablet, or desktop. For those who need a more stable connection in busy wireless environments, like open offices or co-working spaces, the included 2.4 GHz USB receiver provides a reliable wired connection. The keyboard features low-profile mechanical switches paired with chiclet-style keycaps, offering a more ergonomic typing experience. The design allows you to rest your wrists comfortably on the desk, reducing strain during long coding sessions. The PBD keycaps have a slightly rough texture, providing a satisfying grip without feeling too slick. As for battery life, you won't have to worry about frequent recharges. With RGB backlighting off, the keyboard lasts an impressive amount of time on a single charge. If the 75% layout doesn't quite fit your needs, the NuPhy Air75 V2 is available in 2 other sizes: the compact 60% Air60 V2 and the more spacious 96% Air96 V2. Whether you prefer a smaller form factor or a more traditional layout, NuPhy has you covered. The Air75 V2 is an excellent choice for programmers or anyone seeking a sleek, customizable, and comfortable mechanical keyboard. It delivers on both performance and design without breaking the bank.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.